How to earn money from free NFTs. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing a rather interesting topic, which is how you can earn money by giving out NFTs. How can you actually make money from NFTs without direct sales? Let's say you have some audience, let's say you have like a good audience, you have a couple of people buying your NFTs, but you want to be able to expand that audience as well as make money at the same time. Well, I have a few different marketing strategies for you, and these are tried and tested marketing strategies that would actually enable you to go on ahead and sell your NFTs for a higher price later on, as well as make money off of free NFTs. So let's get into it. Now, you can see over here that a lot of people are creating so many different NFTs. If you go into the explore section of OpenSea, you always have something new that is coming up, and with OpenSea, you have so many different NFT collections that are coming up at any time. You have CryptoPunks, you have Piggy Figgies, you have so many different collections out there. Now, these have a very high floor price and they're making money based directly off of sales. Now, to make money with free NFT collections, let's say you're building a collection, like a simple collection like this one, and you're gonna give it away or sell it for free or at the minimum price. How are you gonna make money with collections like that as an artist? So there is one simple strategy. Let's say you go on ahead and eat at a restaurant. So you go on and eat at a restaurant, they give you a loyalty card, and once you eat at the restaurant 5 times, they stamp it each time, and on the 5th time, you get a tiny reward. So that enables you, or that wants you, that makes you want to come to that restaurant more often. The reason for that is you know that after the 5th time, within certain time span, like within a week, after the 5th time, you're going to be given a reward for free. And that is the marketing strategy you need to apply to your NFTs as well. So what you want to be doing is you want to be able to go on ahead and make NFT collections that are attractive, that are nice, that people would be interested in, all the while you are able to actually give them a incentive. For example, let's say that you can create this NFT. Let's say for this NFT that you're selling, you're gonna create a custom NFT that is similar to this one for the couple. Now, whoever looks at this NFT and likes it or is interested in it, they'll be like, hey, if I purchase this NFT, I'm going to be given a free NFT that is going to be a more customized image of me and my partner. So this will make them want to purchase this NFT a lot more. So you're going to be using this strategy. You can give away NFTs like this and then offer a service where they actually have to pay. So you can offer this NFT for free, and then you can be like, if you want a paid version, if you want a custom version or a version of you in this NFT, then people can go on ahead and purchase this. In this way, you're incentivizing the purchase of the service after the sale of your NFT. So people will want to purchase the service after they have already gotten the NFT. And that is how you can make money with free NFTs. Now, this is not applicable or not valid for people that already don't have an audience. If you don't have an audience, you need to build an audience, and then you can apply strategies like this. If your sales are stooping, you're going through a low, and then offering free NFTs will trigger the interest of people once more. And once you have interested people in your NFTs, you can go on ahead and offer them a couple of free NFTs. They will be super inclined to get those NFTs because it's for free. Why not? And once they get that why not, they're going to see the added service that they could necessarily get, they could potentially get from your NFT. Like purchasing this NFT would yield a free business card. Like let's say I set the NFT price for this to be 0.2 Ethereum. So 0.2 Ethereum, maybe around $30 or $40. So let's say I set the price for this at $40 in Ethereum. And then I could write in the description or in the add-ons that you're going to get the service of a free business card with this NFT. So this will incentivize even someone that is not willing to purchase an NFT, even in the low NFT markets, to purchase the NFT just to get that added service. Now, as an artist, you're going to be providing people with a added service or a added feature within your NFT to be able to go on ahead and purchase your NFT NFTs, or if you're giving out NFTs, to incentivize the purchase of the service within the NFT. So these are the tips and tricks you need to keep in mind to get people to actually spend money on your art or spend money on you as an artist for you to be able to make money off of free NFTs. Because free NFTs, obviously, everyone is selling NFTs unless you're some of the top creators. You're not going to be able to generate as much of a buzz with your NFT collection or as much media attention for your NFT collection unless you are a super large creator. And if you have a medium-sized audience, it's very, very likely that sometimes they have high interest, sometimes they are not that interested in your art. But if you offer free NFTs, their interest will be re-triggered and they would be re-inclined to purchase services from you. So to make this work, you do need an audience. If you don't have an audience, you need to go onto platforms like Discord. So you can go on ahead on Discord or you can go on ahead on Twitter. Now, Twitter is my #1 pick, and Twitter is one of the most widely used NFT community. Twitter has some of the most widely used NFT communities out there. You can see there are so many active creators on Twitter, so many NFT influencers, and Twitter has some of the most active and interactive market for NFT creators, for any kind of artist or anyone that is interested in the NFT community. And if you don't have an audience, build one using Twitter or using Discord. Join some of the more popular Discord collection channels and then just talk about or interact with the people there to be able to garner a larger audience for yourself. And once you have that audience, you can incentivize service purchases as well as NFT purchases or vice versa, however you want to go with your NFT collections on any marketplace, and you can give out freebies, and these freebies would help the purchase of services from you as an artist. And this will not only make people feel like they got one thing paid, but they will also get like a free NFT, and that is something that often incentivizes people to visit you or revisit you often, and they will be more likely to go on ahead and purchase more NFTs from you. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to understand how to make money with NFTs for free and how you can offer free NFTs to make money, and you can also offer a tiny little service with a paid NFT that would help you in making money from a primarily low effort NFT. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now going to follow ahead and make your own NFT collection in this manner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below. I would love to help you guys out, and check out our other videos on NFTs as well, where I show you guys how to build this specific collection on Canva, how you can build Canva NFT collections, and how you can create and upload and sell your NFTs as a beginner. So check those videos out and I will catch you guys in the next video.